With machine learning and IBM data science experience local, you can create models trained with algorithms to analyze your company's data. But the more models you train, the more difficult they are to keep track of. Using DSX Local's Model Management Dashboard, you can manage all of your users' models and deployments in one place. You can also view statistics about your models and monitor their health. In the Model Management Dashboard, a data scientist can monitor the health of all evaluated models in the system from one central location. Users can schedule evaluations of the accuracy of their model deployments based on the performance metrics of their choice. This pie chart shows the ratio of successful evaluated deployments over the total evaluated deployments. For the failed evaluations, you can try to resolve them with better input data, a different evaluator, or different performance metrics. You can also view statistics about the top deployments by number of API calls in either column format or bar chart format, and top deployments by average response time. On the Models tab of the Model Management Dashboard, a data scientist can manage all of the models in the system. For each model, you can easily view the name of the user who published it, the date it was published, the runtime engine, the number of deployments, and the health. You can sort on the columns. For example, you can sort the models by the order in which they were published. You can also import pre-created XML-based PMML models from a local device. You can search for a particular model. For instance, this user's naive Bayes model predicts what type of products a customer might be interested in. You can also view a model's current health and deployment. In the Deployments tab of the Model Management Dashboard, a data scientist can manage all of the deployments in a DSX Local system. Let's look at the failed evaluated deployment of this Go Sales model and see if it can be resolved. Depending on the model, you can try new input data or a new deployment with different evaluators and performance metrics. In this example, we will take input with more relevant data from a remote dataset. This screen shows you the scoring endpoint that data scientists can easily give to developers to be included in their machine learning apps. You can also run predictions from this user's model on test data and display the results using DSX Local's easy-to-understand visualizations. In this deployment, DSX Local predicted that this customer was likely to buy mountaineering equipment. After a user's model is deployed, you can schedule an evaluation of its health. In this example, let's look at the options you can select when a deployment is unevaluated. Since the Go Sales model was trained with multi-class classification as the technique, we're going to select that same technique as the evaluator. You can optionally select performance metrics that are specific to each evaluator. For example, you can specify what fraction of the overall data must be relevant for the model to be considered healthy, with precision measuring the exactness of quality, recall measuring the completeness of quantity, and F-measure measuring the harmonic mean of precision and recall. You can schedule when the evaluation starts, how often the evaluation repeats, and when the evaluation schedule ends. Finally, let's use the new input data to see if it resolves the failed deployment. In this evaluation, DSX Local reports that the model is healthy with this new data. We have seen how machine learning models can be easily managed, monitored, and evaluated with model management in DSX Local. Using this feature, your enterprise can easily track model deployment and produce prediction scoring API endpoints to be consumed by applications and processes. In addition, we can also use notebooks, RStudio, and Model Builder to create, test, and deploy the models as APIs for application development, retrain the models as needed, and share the models with colleagues. See our other videos to learn more about what DSX Local can do for you.